here at African West J Media.
Take a trip to my side.
African West J Media.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Bunnz, the lady.
It's your girl Cupcake
and Paige.
And we live from the motherfucking
ratchet.
All right, ladies. So let's get straight into it. We're going to get into the ratchet phrase of the day. The ratchet phrase of the day is, fuck you mean.
Fuck you mean.
That's how you supposed to say it.
Fuck you mean.
Fuck you mean. Boy, lady, sir,
fuck
niece.
Right. So, y'all let me know. Let me know a time y'all had to let,
Fuck you mean a bitch.
Yeah.
Right. Fuck you mean.
When you got a cuss motherfucker and be like, and at the end, you gotta say, fuck you mean.
Period. What about you, Paige?
Yeah, basically. Fuck you mean.
How you use it.
Excuse me.
That's some everyday shit. We gotta use shit like that, like every day.
Like, hell is you saying?
Let the motherfucker know you for real, you ain't playing, you meant what the fuck you said.
Fuck you mean.
Right. All right, so y'all want to get into the ratchet news of the day?
Yes,
Which
please.
is...
Paige, you get us into the ratchet news of the day.
My ratchet news of the day. Well, I don't know. It's kind of some sad news too. I heard about this morning. I heard about the baby, his brother. He committed suicide, and they said prior to that he had made a post on Instagram. I don't know if it was this. Don't quote me on this, but something about living his life according to others.
Dang.
And it don't matter to him whether he live or die. And now he had a little laugh at the end after he said that. Man, you got to know that when the way he laughed and ended that shit off, you can tell he was dead for real.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
and that shit came from a way deeper
and them folk
place.
got money like
Right.
a motherfucker, so money don't make you happy.
Exactly.
This man done killed it down, self.
Yeah.
Money do not make you happy.
And
that shit do not cover
And we
up
praying
the
for the
real
baby.
pain.
Yeah, because I kind of like the baby.
Prayers, shots out, everything to the baby. Because he on a good path.
Yeah.
Right.
He doing that. We spoke about him last Wednesday.
Episode, right.
He had got nominated for 12 awards.
Oh, yeah, he
didn't get not now one.
What?
Right.
On the
Then
BET
win
Awards, bitch.
Are you?
The
Man,
hip-hop
no,
award.
he
Yeah.
deserved that shit because I kind of like him because he the only one been going hard. Him and Lil Baby and Moneybag Yo, that's it.
Right.
Yeah, they fucking the streets up right now.
That's it.
But
They
prayers
sleep on the
up
baby.
to those people, man. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. You got to pray for your loved ones, and you got to check on your loved ones because you never know.
You never know what the fuck they might
what's
be
on
going
another
on.
motherfucker mind.
Yeah.
Right.
And don't think just because goddamn they got
got
some
money. Them folk happy.
They don't need a call or a little checkup on. You know what I'm saying? It's the small things that count.
Yeah.
And they say the best things in the world is priceless. That shit ain't got no price on it. So
Right.
so show some love. And do you got some ratchet news for today?
I do. I want to get
Broadway,
on the
please.
Rod wave
Please.
Alexis Guy.
Man, what wrong with that girl?
No, they say
What the
Alexis
hell
Guy
this guy was doing now?
They
No,
pushed that
she
bitch
got-
out the
she
way.
got
I don't know.
booked.
Probably trying to
Her
fuck.
and Broadway got booked.
Yeah, because I thought she had a nigga.
Girl.
Like, no, she got booked and got paid to come out.
Girl.
And
okay, so
she
she
was
was working.
pushed. Right, she was working. And she
Well,
was pushed.
How she was pushed? I thought
They said
the
that-
flow came, then commit
Man, they pushed that bitch.
But they
fine.
still pushed
They
her.
pushed the fuck
Oh,
out
the
of her.
niggas did.
Like,
Right.
bitch, we don't know. You get the fuck on. She
Right,
right
but
there happy.
He
He
thinking,
said, man,
wait.
no.
So
He
the push
thinking
ain't got
that-
nothing to do with the
he
phone.
thinking that
Man,
she on some
no.
groupie shit, but she got booked.
Okay.
That's just a nigga not minding he goddamn business.
I
She
see
got
they
paid
ass
to
did
come
that.
out.
One of the boys who went
Right.
wrong way.
He did a
Auntie
video. He
Rod.
spoke. Yeah. He did a video saying, like, basically, he thinking she on some groupie
Shut your
shit,
mouth
but
and
she
shoot
got
me.
booked.
And who the fuck is he?
Right.
A groupie?
One of the groupies.
One of the
Damn sure
groupies.
was not
How you
Rod
gonna
Wave.
try to push
Hey,
another
Auntie
groupie out the way? What the fuck going on? How you
Right.
right, nigga?
And
you can
And you
tell.
wrong.
Right.
Every man
She
for
was
themselves.
like-
Every man for themselves. Fuck that bitch. You not finna
Right.
hit my position. Fuck
She
that.
was extra excited.
Yeah, she
got
was. She
booked.
was happy as fuck, girl. You didn't
Yeah,
see the
and she got
video.
pushed.
I
And
seen
man.
the video, but I thought when I saw the video, I was just looking at the video for the fall.
Right.
I didn't know that it was some disrespect.
Man.
Like, yeah, he thinking she on groupie shit, and she wasn't. She got paid to come out. I'm pretty sure she finna get paid more.
Because I almost asked the fuck out of him.
That motherfucker done
That would have
crazy.
been a nigga though. Another man wouldn't have checked another man like that.
Right.
I promise you he
Yeah.
wouldn't. Y'all men be getting out of hand, man. Then y'all be stepping up the women at the wrong time, trying us in ways that you would never try another man. Later would have really been a male groupie. They probably would have had to get secured on him. Right. You know what I'm saying? But your pussy ass gonna sit up here and push sticker. That's why your ass fell too. He fell too.
Everybody fell. The whole stage.
Yeah, yo.
It just went in. Like, everybody finna get a check.
That's fucked up.
I wish I was there.
And then y'all got Rod Wave. Where he was at? What did
Morehouse. I think he got booked for Morehouse.
And
they was ready. You could tell they was already.
In Atlanta.
And all that shit.
They happy down here?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
And they said it's not the first time that stage on. You know, I got some messy ass family members. But you know, they said that's not the first time. That's not the first time that stage on did that.
Morehouse would have been cutting their check, but once the lady step on it, and that motherfucker cave in.
They say the fuck stage always do that.
Okay, yeah. They gonna have to pay me.
Smoking on.
I was trying to put this out.
Pluto.
What face? Smoking on Pluto.
I'm out here in Mars.
That's the Pluto.
This bitch said Mars.
I'm on the Obama run.
You on Obama? What you smoking on?
What you call it? I missed 3 in 1. The fuck? All different flavors in one.
I did see Alexis Scott, she had uploaded some bruises and stuff.
Yeah,
check, please.
Yeah,
I'm going through that right now. I can't wait to settle. Check, please.
Right way, speak up.
Check. Fuck that. I'm ready to settle out right now.
I didn't even see if Broadway spoke out about it. Like I didn't even look up to that.
Damn.
And I wonder did the show still go on?
No, man, the stage.
All of them fell in.
Yeah, the stage went. You need to see the video. Them folk went in.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to
like they probably end up at the bottom somewhere. For real. Somewhere down there in the grass below, y'all know some shit.
Yeah, but that's fucked up. Like,
yeah, people more high, y'all have to do better.
Man, fuck that.
Now. Yeah, y'all got to do. Y'all can't be putting.
Or less people on the stage when you come up. You don't need a whole crowd on the stage.
Cause it just look like some plywood.
Yeah,
it looked like some little cover up. Like they were just walking on got them cardboard. Really. So shit, my kids done put together, man. Y'all got to do better than that. I know Corona has hit and fucked y'all shit up, but y'all folks still got some funds.
Yeah.
Right.
I know y'all got some loans somewhere. Trump made sure y'all straight.
Well, y'all, we're going to hold their thoughts. We're going to get back with them. We're going to go ahead and go to the Okay Then Sue.
Okay Then Sue.
Video of the day. Okay Then Sue.
And pay some bills. And we'll be right back.
What's up, y'all? And we back. Let us correct ourselves. We mean
Morris Brown. Not Morehouse.
Right.
Morris Brown.
Morris Brown, get your shit
y'all
together.
Y'all fucked up.
Damn.
We got our shit together. Y'all get y'all shit together.
Right. We had to correct ourselves on that one.
Let's talk about this election. What y'all think about this election?
I'm stressed out.
Siri, have they chose a president
of the United States?
Right.
Because I could have got Trump for 4 more years. I don't give a fuck. He don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
You said you could have got Trump 4 more years.
You don't like Trump?
I ain't trying to make this no debate, but I'm just not fucking with Trump. Like, I'm not.
That man funny as hell.
Like,
yeah.
So you fucking with Trump because he funny?
Nah, I'm fucking with Trump. Goddamn, for other reasons.
They said Joe Biden got them trying to, closed, don't shut down. They got
You tell me what going on. What they say about Biden?
He trying to shut this shit back down.
On the bun companies.
He trying to sit.
So how the fuck?
Motherfucker gonna get out of jail, yeah.
They gonna be a hell of a criminal.
Trump got them like this here.
He don't give a fuck, and he finna give us some money.
Longest week.
Ain't
And he finna give us a check.
We finna get this stimulus. You heard it. So you heard
Criminal
about
is less than 2 months.
Right. You heard about the second stimulus.
Yeah,
If Trump
but they ain't
become
gonna sign
president,
off on it
if Trump become president, he gonna give it to us and probably extend our
Biden
unemployment.
say he was trying to push it too.
I ain't heard shit. He said, I don't
he's
know.
trying to push that second stimulus too.
Nah,
So,
Biden a motherfucker. I ain't really feeling Biden.
it's
man.
just gonna be
But
a stimulus with Biden's signature on it. You remember how what his name Donald Trump stopped all this checks from being mailed
his shit,
just
his
to put
stamp,
his
yeah.
name on them.
Yeah.
It's just gonna have Biden on it this time.
But at the end of the day, I done had a black president
And it's still
a
gonna
white
cast,
president.
and it's still gonna cast
And my
the
life
same,
still
y'all.
been
The same, the poor is still poor.
gonna cast the same, okay?
Yeah, but what else?
Nigga.
Is he still doing unemployment? Yeah, we do, cause
I need to
shit.
look up on them because I'm just Team Biden and I understand y'all
Okay.
rocking with Trump.
Yeah,
I ain't rocking with no.
I'm
fucking
rocking with
Biden.
Trump.
I'm good. I don't give a fuck. Like I said, my rent still gonna be the same motherfucking price. At the end of the day, that shit ain't gonna change a goddamn thing.
fact.
My insurance still gonna be high as hell.
Mm-hmm.
And goddamn.
That's why it don't need fucking matter no more.
Yeah, shit. What they need to do is do something about Victor Hill, pussy ass. That's what
not
they need to
Victor
motherfucking
Hill.
do.
Not 50
Do
Hill.
somebody 50.
But yeah, that man done did a lot of shit
That's
to not be in jail.
scandalous bitch. Yeah, he done murdered a motherfucker.
Man, he done shot his girlfriend.
And
That
the
bitch in
baby.
the baby dead.
Yeah,
I don't know that
and the
about
whole
Victor.
gone
Girl,
missing,
yeah,
missing,
Victor Hill, you know
reported
Victor Hill?
missing.
I
The
don't know
sheriff
Victor
or
Hill.
Clay?
Whole fucking
She don't know
criminal.
Victor Hill. The sheriff or Clay? What is it?
Or
Clay
Clay
County?
County.
I don't know Victor.
That man.
I don't know that man.
Man, are you serious?
I don't.
Girl,
Man, they say that
wait.
man out there in Clayco selling dope.
Man, that man out there setting up so many motherfucking roadblocks. It don't make no damn sense.
Man.
That shit sad. Sad as hell. No nigga trying to make it to Thanksgiving, auntie house and shit.
Right.
You like these
Good
folks
food.
up on that
Yeah,
bullshit.
they gonna beat that quota.
That's some bullshit.
Speaking
But,
of Thanksgiving, y'all cooking?
I had an event at my house not too long ago. And the way them bitches left my shit.
Oh, okay.
I may cook for Thanksgiving, but it won't be in my shit.
I'm cooking this shit.
Oh, me and my kids.
I don't know. I wanna go out of town somewhere. I wanna go out of town. I ain't never been out of town for Thanksgiving.
Last year
And I
we had
want my
went to
mama
the
and my
cabin.
family
I'm
to
like
come to my
that.
house this year.
Oh yeah, I don't know who cook it. I don't know.
I would love
Somebody
it, but
cook
girl,
it.
be ready to clean up or make sure you got a good
No,
enough
but
family
let me
that's
tell
gonna
you
help
how I
you clean up
am.
before they leave.
Any event,
You start-
I'm so making sure everybody's straight.
You cleaning up while you
I'm
going.
cleaning up as I go. Please
Oh,
believe.
no.
Like I ain't finna make it no
Oh, see, we
hard ass
different.
task at the end
So,
of the
baby,
day.
I
I'm clean
go
up
to
as we
sleep
go.
I'll go
at my
see and do this
events.
shit tomorrow.
Or I tell them
On
motherfucker
the whole
down.
motherfucking
Clean up as you
party.
go. Throw your plate away. Shit, I tell that motherfucker that quick.
If I have Thanksgiving at my house, I'm gonna have security out. Make sure them hoes clean up for me. Even if I do go to sleep down, make sure everybody clean up. Bring me BJ down, look at mama.
Oh Lord, she gonna run the part away. I was just playing.
Nah, for real, she will.
Crazy.
Oh,
Yeah.
but nah, for real, though, on a real serious note, I have never seen this. Why the fuck we don't know who the president is?
Oh yeah, and they said goddamn
Right,
Trump don't
we
win.
don't
The
know
KKK coming.
Yeah, they say them thugs
See,
got that
I
suited
done
and
saw
booted
so much shit.
goofballs.
Like
I'm ready.
that's why everybody just gotta be armed. You know, everybody
That what
just
I'm
gotta be
ready.
safe. Stay safe, y'all. You know, we just gotta
I hope
get
they
ready
loot
because
tonight.
the Trump supporters is gonna be real mad. Like I
I
feel
got
bad
a
for
little
them,
birdie.
but they're gonna be real mad. They're gonna be real mad. So
I got a little birdie that said they might loot tonight. So y'all make sure y'all are around Buckhead area. When the final results
I will be at Philippines.
but they board up everything though. Like,
Fuck it.
they getting prepared.
You
They better.
better see what happened last year. Last month. A couple months ago.
When this shit
Everybody was
first,
motherfucking
man.
rock stars.
Yes.
Them boys didn't start
I don't give
shit.
a fuck. We was out there with them.
Oh, but
Ooh.
She was. I was at home.
I went back home. You did ride out there. You did ride out there.
A little motherfucker asked me earlier. They was like, "Pat, you gonna get some of the Montclair jackets in them folks?" I was like, "Oh, that really what's going on?" I was like, "Dumbass."
I want the jacket, the shoe, the perm, I want everything criminal in 2 months.
Yo, they say we got 2 more months, y'all. Make it count. 2 more months of this year. We really, really have to make it count.
2020 was a hell of a year.
Oh, it was.
Like,
it
no
really,
cap.
really
So many
was.
people done died. So much. Ooh, it's some
COVID?
shit.
And I'm praying for Boom. Shout out to Boom.
Right,
you
like
know.
COVID is
Yeah,
like,
shout out to them folks.
Yeah, man, for real. Because 2020 has really
I'm
been
praying
out.
for everybody as far as they just got to deal with this COVID situation because it's real. Like, for the ones that don't think it's real, it's real.
All you gotta do just stay in the house.
Yeah, stay
I'm
out
saying,
the way.
even
That's
when
the
you
best
do
thing
catch
to
a
do.
jet quarantine, 14, they don't go to the hospital. That what killing you. My sister had COVID. Didn't she?
Yo,
My sister had COVID. She was fucked up
And
in that
she beat
room.
that shit.
She stayed in the room for maybe 21 days.
Well,
Yeah.
She did not go to no guy. She went to the hospital afterwards.
Nigga didn't have her than that.
He got sick.
I
Now
did.
you got sick. All them folks done got sick. Everybody had the
Everybody
quarantine.
had the
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I just thought.
Why you think I didn't go over there?
Did you have?
Maybe I beat it. Maybe.
How long ago was that?
This shit.
Wait a minute.
I ain't got no more
I
shit.
probably got them had to fucking with
Exactly, because you don't know. You don't know if you have, but she was
And that's
fucked
why
up.
it's
I don't feel sick in hell.
Yeah,
too.
we thought you had it.
Like, for real, I was weak as fuck. Oh,
Yeah, she was.
I beat it too. I beat it.
How you want, babe? You
I was
weak
weak
as
as
fuck.
fuck.
What it was, I thought we were finna go out of town for my birthday. I was like, nah, you ain't coming with us. You got that shit. She was like, I'm gonna give me some cold medicine.
Oh, they mucinex.
Boy.
They said, oh, them tablets.
That bitch said Mucinex.
They got them syrup. Why they should knock this shit right out. And the children mucinex ain't no hoe either.
Yeah,
Shout
that
out
shit work.
to them people. That's them boys.
That bitch said shout out to them people,
They
man.
put you in them.
There you motherfucking have it.
There you motherfucking have
But
it.
I don't know. It don't matter. Just send a check president. We need it.
Exactly. Y'all know we need it.
We need it.
And Biden's gonna be the one to do that. Be on the lookout for that 70.
Okay.
Biden got it.
Maybe Trump. It don't matter.
What
We
name
wait on
one
Joe.
good thing that you know about Biden?
Yeah, tell us something we don't know.
What y'all look know about Biden?
I ain't heard shit about this man.
heard
I don't even,
too.
but for real, I don't even watch the news. I
I
don't
don't
even do none of
either,
that.
but
I just go out with my family tell me.
And I just don't like Trump. He don't give a fuck about us black people.
Shit.
Because
He
black
feel
lives
like
matter.
he's racist.
Yeah, he is racist. He don't give a fuck about us black people.
I'm racist. I don't give a fuck about no white person.
Okay.
The fuck?
Okay.
Shit.
But we'll
I
be
don't give a
right
fuck
back.
about nobody who don't give a fuck about me.
Right. Right. We just don't give a fuck. But we'll be right back. We finna go pay some bills.
Hey, live from the motherfucking ratchet.
Ratchet.
Out the West J Media.
Okay, let's do a thumbnail. Why does my nose? My nose big. It's bigger than my head. Okay, come on, for real. Alright, thumbnail. Okay. Okay, guys, so it's a lot of birds.
It's a lot of birds.
It's a lot of birds.
All right, Paige. What we finna talk about?
Okay.
I'm gonna sip my tea. I'm sorry.
My topic is, I would like to know, could a man drive a woman into another man's arms, or or did the woman just want to leave already? How do you feel about that? Or we here in Atlanta, Georgia, kind of woman, whatever, your significant other drive you into another motherfucking arm. How do you feel? Me personally, let me say how I feel. I feel like no. The motherfucker may get on your nerve and make it drive you out of a relationship. But if you end up going from one relationship straight into another one, then you already had intentions on leaving. You just need a excuse. You know what I'm saying? You can't blame it on the other motherfucker to say, oh, he the reason or she the reason why I'm fucking with somebody else. That's something that you already want to do, because if you was really loyal and in a committed relationship, you wouldn't even have room to even have another motherfucker to go be with. To drive you to. So what the fuck is you talking about? But that's how I feel. How do you feel? Okay, cause she's a little more level-headed than me. Definitely.
I mean, it won't drive me. A relationship won't drive me into another man's arm, but it'll drive me away from that dude. Like if it just fucked up, hey, I get the fuck on.
Do you?
It won't. Like I won't hear you go run it, but
because some women were like if they were talking to another man and they was in a relationship, like they would see all the good shit and the real shit.
You
the
can
other
compare,
nigga doing.
I would too. I get the fuck on too.
And this nigga doing all the right shit. Then you got to go home to this nigga, and he can't get nothing right.
I'm gone. I'm sorry. I'm gone. Yeah. I'm not wasting no more of my time. I'm getting too old for that shit. I'm not who.
Right.
I see
you
walking down the street now. I see you walking down the street with all your clothes in the knapsack. Blow her, hey, what's up? I'm gone, bruh.
Okay, how do you feel?
I'm not even playing.
What you feel? How do you feel about that?
I mean, I can't see myself going into nobody else on, especially if we got history. It's all about the history too. You know, that's like the major part.
But is it good history though? Cause that bad history, man, that shit don't count.
Some toxic shit be good shit. Like some toxic shit to me be good shit. Like if a motherfucker ain't goddamn,
I ain't no fucking way.
Like I'm not saying like on some psychopath,
but nah.
But it's just some shit like. You know, like a motherfucker may think arguing all the time is toxic. You feel what I'm saying? Like to me,
no, I ain't talking about shit.
Sometimes like it's good for a relationship.
To argue type shit. Not saying that.
That's how you get, but what's on your mind out a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but you know,
I
can't see. I'm all about history. So if I'm gonna fuck with you, I'm trying to fuck with you for a minute.
So you gonna stay with a nigga? Okay, just say you been with a nigga for a minute.
A female.
Probably like 11 years and it's still bad shit. You telling me you ain't gonna get the fuck on?
Now if it drove me to the point that you know I'm getting the fuck on, I'm getting the fuck on. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Like if it started getting to the point that you know you start fucking with this pretty ass face of mine and you start doing shit like
shit
like
that supposed to been gone. Bitch, you supposed to left 10 years ago. You supposed to left 10 years ago.
It's people out there that stayed. People that stayed.
I stayed 11 years.
If I knew what I knew now,
bitch,
the first time that nigga put his hands on me,
I would have been gone.
I would have got down, stuck his ass and left. I would have, and that would have been the end of it. Because at the end of the day, any man that I'm with, he got to know how to control himself. He got to be able to control himself.
He should be able to control you if he a real man.
Right. A real nigga got to be able to control themselves first. No, you might not can't control that bitch, but you gotta be. It got to be in you to know by you hitting this girl, she can't beat you. You already a man, an overpowered her. You just kill her by walking off on her. Because really, a bitch wants you to help her.
Yeah. From the ratchet, do not support domestic violence.
A woman will provoke you to hit her. I know I have.
Yeah.
I will.
Shit, right off and hit your ass while you sleep.
Yeah. Till the nigga got down, nigga do it. I beat your ass. Woo, fuck you. This thing and your mama. Mm-hmm. But shit, that shit satisfied me overall. I feel like I done proved the part. But if the nigga just walk off on me like, bitch, man, go ahead on and leave my
I respect that even more,
stupid. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna leave more of an impact on me than it is by
nigga
you being your hand, being my ass. I'm losing respect for you. Then we get back together. I can't trust you. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, that shit ain't right. And I know a lot of women in abusive relationships right now trying to make this shit work.
Right.
You know, it ain't worth it, baby.
Right.
It ain't worth it.
Hell nah, get the fuck on.
And I know niggas in abusive relationships, y'all, man, get up out that shit. Y'all males, man, get up out that shit. Y'all, you ain't got to put up with that. You deserve happiness.
Right.
Name one nigga you know in a abusive relationship. Name one nigga you know, cause I don't know none of these niggas in a abusive
I
relationship.
don't want to put that man business out here like that, but the man been going to work fucked up, man.
What you say, nigga?
Yeah,
Don't put
man.
it
Don't put it out
now.
Yeah,
Just tell me my ear later.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Wrist and shit. You
Man.
Talking about he said it hand in the door, lies.
But she don't be
Hell.
Damn.
Hell
It
nah.
ain't just the women out here. Getting beat up. It's the men too.
Nah, you gotta
So
tell
you
me
going
that.
to work with me?
Yeah. Fuck
Yup.
yeah.
Permanently, nigga got a motherfucking a rod in there. Hell did you talking about? You ain't doing that much damage to yourself.
Man.
Yeah.
She done beat a rod in his arm.
Yeah, got something that permanently wouldn't even work without it. Fuck this man up for life.
Damn.
But I ain't no telling
I'ma
what he
pray
done
for
did.
you.
It could be a woman fed up. Cause when a woman fed up, woo!
When a woman fed up. Shout out to R. Kelly. That's how they doing that man wrong in jail.
They probably fucking on that bitch. Probably
That's
pissing out on that.
That's how they doing that man wrong.
All on that nigga.
God, that was his dumb ass get.
Right.
Why? Woo.
He should have went broke, cause that when them folks started. He should have kept singing.
That down there is throwing the fuck out his ass.
He broke. Shit, he ain't got it.
Right.
Oh, they fucking up, probably raping them in there. I don't
Man,
like
I'm
ugly
telling you.
body. That shit come around on your ass. You put one too many young girls, boy, and your ass gonna deal with that shit for the rest of your motherfucking life. But that between you and him. That should not judge.
Right.
Moving on.
Moving right along.
Hey.
What else I want to say? Okay, and another thing, how y'all feel? Have y'all ever seen the man with all the tattoos? I think that name like Grace or something. They got little girls. She know how to cock them guns. Fix them. She be having on blindfolds.
Oh, yeah. I did see that video. I saw that video.
That's that
And he be
hillbilly
asking
shit you
her,
thought I was finna
what's
watch.
this? What's that?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you feel about your child operating a firearm as far as safety wise?
Great.
I mean, I would
Shit.
if I knew how
I'm just saying, like she ain't playing with like somebody come through the door, goddamn bitch.
She gonna be on go too.
You're damn right. Have you ever seen the movie The Patriots? That nigga had 7-year-old boy and the whole motherfucking family had to defend their house. Great, hell yeah.
The Patriots. It's on Netflix.
Bitch, it's an old ass movie.
I gotta watch that.
Yeah, come on. Is I'm saying it right? With Mel Gibson? It's the Patriots. These
Shout
folks,
out to
man,
Mel
what the hell? The whole motherfucking family, they had done killed one son. The mama was already dead. Y'all need to watch that movie. It's a good movie. It's like a war movie. It's old as fuck.
Dumbass movie.
It's old as fuck, man. Hell yeah.
Patriots. Yeah.
I'm gonna watch that shit.
I can't wait to see my boys.
Yeah. Okay. But I watched some dumbass movie last night, I think. Knock.
Just
Man,
watch.
y'all watch
Oh
that
yeah,
shit.
nah, my sister was talking about that. They said that I don't too much watch movies.
Man,
I like.
Did you get
I
into
like
Whitworth?
Criminal Minds. Oh, but I know what you're talking about.
Did you
I
get
know what
into
you're talking about.
Whitworth?
Though.
What we talked about? Did you get into Whitworth?
Girl, yes.
Whitworth.
What is that?
Shit.
Whitworth, that's the shit I been watching for hoes in jail.
You love it.
I love it.
Girl, that
I
shit.
love it.
I'm talking about once you start watching it, you cannot
That
stop.
bitch, Ferguson.
Like,
It's on
girl,
Netflix.
I don't fuck with Ferguson,
yeah.
but she
It's on Netflix.
They
so
got that
goddamn
bitch.
sneaky.
They got that bitch. I don't know if she dead though. I'm just gonna tell you the truth.
Girl,
I don't even know her crazy.
I really
mental
like.
health ass dead.
Right.
I gotta watch it. Wentworth.
You gotta get into it. Have you watched Orange Is the New Black? Watch Orange Is the New Black all seasons first. Then you get into Wentworth. Like they both got
But I'm
like the
talking about watch
same
bitches in jail.
No, but this shit
That's-
so
that's-
Good cocaine.
I
It
don't
started
give a damn.
out with
It's
the lady
so-
trying to kill her husband.
girl, it's so
had that nigga in
good
the
though.
car.
Like
I bet her daughter came. It good.
Like, it's
Oh,
Whitworth.
that shit made me cry.
I be seeing it though.
It
watch.
be making
Just
me cry.
start. Yeah, you can watch Wentworth. Just start with Wentworth.
It be
But-
making me
I ain't
cry.
trying to watch no orange and no black.
No, it's Orange Is the New Black.
No black.
They do got an orange.
But I
on
never
some,
could get in on the Orange Is the New Black shit. I really couldn't get on, and I never could get in on that zombie shit. What that was? You know what I mean?
I don't know, 'cause
The
I don't
people
watch
know what
it.
I'm talking about. But
But yeah, Finna wrap it on up,
Okay,
y'all.
that's it.
Okay, if y'all got any suggestions, make sure y'all let us know. Like, comment, follow us,
subscribe,
Ratchet,
right,
on Instagram. Follow Algerton West J Media. Shout out to everybody. That boy Quack. You know what I'm saying?
Subscribers.
Yeah. All our subscribers.
Yes, you can definitely follow me on Instagram too at _bunnz the lady. Follow my business page also at trippyteens_.
And how can people get in contact with you?
You want me to get my Instagram?
Yes.
Bads_chasing Kate_.
Yes, sirski. Thank y'all
for tuning in to live from the motherfucking Ratchet.
And that's all, folks.
Take a trip to my side. It ain't a game with us. Take a trip to my side. If you a bitch, you can't bang with us.